Hey guys, it's Mark with Shift Media, and today I'm going to show you how to create a sticky transparent header using Elementor Pro and CSS. So let's get started. The first thing we'll want to do is create a new page. And the reason I do this instead of going straight to a header template is because it allows me to test things out before going live. So let's begin by creating a 2-column section. Let's give it a minimum vertical height of 100. A background color, I'm choosing red for this. Let's add some placeholder elements. Let's duplicate this section and give it a contrasting background color. For this tutorial, I'll just make it a gray. I'm also going to swap the column order here just to change things up a bit. And let me make this text white. Okay, so now we've got our 2 placeholder sections. Next thing we're going to want to do is add a new section which will be our header. I'm just going with a 1 column for this. First step for me is going to be to give it a minimum height of 120 pixels. And remember that number because we also want to give it a negative bottom margin of 120 pixels. And with Elementor, you can't directly type in a negative margin, so we'll type in the 120 first and then add the negative portion after. Let's give it a Z index of 1, a header ID, which is header. And to make it sticky, let's go to Motion Effects, select Top, change the effects offset value to 1. Come on over here to Custom CSS. If you read the corresponding blog post, you can just cut the CSS code from there and paste it right into here. And give it a quick scroll, the page a quick scroll just to reset the header. You can see as we scroll the background color changes, it's transparent. Last thing we'll want to do here is let's go ahead and add our logo in. There it is. Let's see how this looks. So it's legible on the red. It's legible on the gray, which is what we were going for. And then we can let's just save that file. And let's preview it. Cool, everything looks good. So a couple of things to consider here. If you wanted to go with a lighter scroll background, you can do that by clicking the header section and just changing these variables right here. I've also included that code within the corresponding blog post. And if you want to go ahead and use this header as a site-wide header, you can do that by just copying this section and pasting it into a new header template. And that's it. If you have any questions or comments about this tutorial, just post it below.